Here we go again.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 9 o'clock p.m. At 6:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to 40 knots and small hail from 6 nautical miles west of Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, moving north at 20 knots. These thunderstorms will be near Northerly Island around 7:10 p.m. Wilmette Harbor around 7:30 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.
And now for the regional weather summary.